So today we're gonna harvest a melon. This is a melon, I think it's called Sweetness 132, but it's like a cantaloupe, but it has a unique flavor. And let's go pick one real quick. Okay, so I have these growing like this. I don't know if you saw the video where I made these little cages real quick, but they're growing all over the place. Basically, a lot of melons. Hold that one. We already picked that one, but I want to show you guys. Look at this right here. They're just growing all over the place. You got a couple here, a couple here. This one's ready to be picked. When you know when they're ripe, when they're about this color and the tendrils start to die back. I have one already that we already picked, and we're gonna open it up and do a taste test. You can see how much juice is already coming off of that immediately when I cut this. I'm gonna hold that for me real quick. I'm just gonna get rid of the seeds here real quick. Here you go, little man. I'm gonna let him taste it first. What does it taste like?
It tastes like cantaloupe.
Tastes like cantaloupe. I think it has a unique flavor. It's almost like pear and cantaloupe. Delicious flavor. This one might be a little bit overripe, but overall they're very, very sweet. Definitely something that will be growing in the garden in the next few years because I definitely enjoy the way this tastes. Amazing, amazing melon to grow. It grows in quantities if you grow it the right way. See you later, guys.